Let's make the mojito from Jelly Belly Cocktail Classics. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the mojito from Jelly Belly Cocktail Classics. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're turning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I've been a fan of Jelly Bellies for a long time. Way back in high school, we went to Wall Drug and I blew my entire vacation budget on the various flavors of Jelly Bellies. Fast forward to now and I'm at Fratelloni's, which is a local hardware store, waiting while my wife pays for something. And while I'm waiting, I look over at the candy that's available and I see these Jelly Belly Cocktail Classics. I did not know they had cocktail flavored Jelly Bellies. So I bought a couple, and looking at the back, there are 8 cocktails on the back of this package. 3 of them are rum-based. You have to understand how shocking that is. Most cocktail menus have maybe 1 rum-based cocktail. So to have 3 out of 8, that's amazing. And I thought, I can make those. We're going to make those. And today we're going to make the mojito. Note that I did order a bunch of packages from Jelly Belly themselves. This is not a sponsored video. I did pay for these myself. I got a box of 12 of these small packages. You can order them directly from Jelly Belly. You can also get them on Amazon. And if you use the Amazon link listed down below, I get a little bit of a kickback. The price should be the same for you, but you're a little bit of a Robin Hood, taking from the rich and giving to the poor. So I encourage you to use that link. On the other hand, if you want to be stingy, feel free to go right to Jelly Belly and order your own flavors. The first thing we have to do is open up all these packages. So that's what I'm going to do. I got my little scissors. I don't need to use the scissors. They have this little tear mark. So I'm going to open these up and I'm going to pour these out. I'll be right back with you. The next thing we have to do is sort them out by color and flavor. And by color and flavor, they're really the same thing. All of the mojito ones are green, as opposed to the margarita ones, which are green. So it's going to take a little bit of sorting. Again, I'll be right with you. I tend to be somebody who throws away the packaging as soon as the product is out of it. This time I managed to save one of the packages, which is a good thing I did, because I can compare the color of the bean to color on the back. And the lighter green looked like the mojito, while the darker green looked like the margarita. So I'm going to sort these and I'll be right back with you. Note that sorting all these by hand is kind of a pain in the butt. They do have single flavors you can order online if you go right to the Jelly Belly website. So if you just want 1 cocktail instead of all 8, go ahead and do that. But now that we have this all sorted, it's time to make the cocktail. The official glass for this drink is a Collins glass, and we're going to build it right here in the glass. And I'm going to start by taking all my Jelly Belly Mojito Jelly Bellies, and I'm going to put them in the glass. And the floor, apparently. And for future reference, this is 12 of those little packages. So I probably needed a couple more really to fill up the glass. And sometimes I measure. This time I didn't. I just went free pour. Now, it looks a little silly. Next time I'll get more packages. Garnish. Garnish would, since it's a mojito, sprig of mint, lime wheel, lime wedge. I'm doing something a little less traditional, and I'm going with some lime Jelly Bellies on a skewer. And I'm just going to put those right in there. And there you have it, a Jelly Belly Mojito. Drink with good spirits. But you might be wondering, how does it taste? Get rid of that for a moment. It does taste like a mojito. And diabetes. Question of the day, what is the best April Fool's joke you've ever pulled on someone? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. And since you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do. And some of those will be real cocktails. And until next time, cheers.